For many years, emerging countries developing very light armoured vehicles often use the Land Rover chassis as the basis for that. And now that is out of production, other countries use the Toyota Land Cruiser. But armies today, and indeed paramilitary forces, need vehicles with more payload, more volume, and sometimes more protection. And what we have here behind us is a locally developed Turanga. That is based on the US Ford F550 chassis, which is a commercial chassis. It's got a very, very powerful V8 engine. It's got a whole of all welded steel construction. It's not of the monocoque type, so it's based on a commercial chassis, which spare parts are available worldwide. The company originally developed this using internal research and development funding, and subsequently got an order for an initial batch of 13, which have been delivered to the Indian Army, with another batch to follow. This particular version is being shown at Indo Defence for the first time, and has been developed to show the expanded roles the vehicle can undertake. And if we just have a close look at it now, what has it got? Well, it's got a front-mounted winch, and on the top is a complete sensor package, and that has been supplied by the Turkish company of Aselsan, who in recent years have established themselves as one of the leading electronic companies in Europe. It is fitted with cameras for situational awareness, so the driver can see what's going on around him, and those images are displayed on other flat panel displays within the vehicle. If you look on the top, the forward part is an acoustic detection device, so that actually can spot small arms fire, and on a screen inside alerts the crew as to where the threat is coming from. On the left-hand side is a mast-mounted sensor package, also from Aselsan. That is telescopic, so it can be raised well above the ground to improve area coverage. That sensor package includes a day camera, a thermal camera, and a laser rangefinder. If we look at the other side, that is a battlefield surveillance radar. So that will be able to detect targets, and with the onboard suite of communications equipment, we'll be able to call in artillery or mortar fire. The engine compartment is at the front, and that is protected, which is not always the case, and the commander and driver are seated behind that. The troop compartment is at the very rear, and this particular model is fitted with bulletproof windows and firing ports underneath. So this is a very specialised version of it. And if we look over the other side, we have the baseline armoured personnel carrier, and this is the baseline armoured personnel carrier, and what they've done for trials purposes in Indonesia has fit the Aselsan roof-mounted remote weapon station armed with a 50 cal machine gun. It's not fitted for this one, but it will be later on today, and it's got a front-mounted winch. And if you look at the tyres, they're placed well away from the hull, so if a mine blows up, the damage will be minimal.